Yeah, my name is Abdi Samed Shakasim. Used to be a former soccer player, and right now I'm the leader of the Somali national team to Zimbabwe. Actually, I like Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe is like my second home. I would say our second home since we took part of the liberation of the Zimbabwean people. What I'm expecting is a very beautiful game between the two nationals, and hopefully the supporters and spectators will enjoy instead of watching Premier League or La Liga or Serie A. I would say this will be one of the best ever game they will watch, and we promise players will showcase their talents. I really hope both teams for a good game. Thank you.
Thank you so much.